YouTube channel. My name is Prakhar. Today our topic is how to do operations in Python. So the first topic is addition operator. Can we do our addition? As you see, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 4 into 6 equal to 24. And wait, this is 8 divided by 4 equal to 2.0. So you are thinking that why I'm getting 2.0, you can get only 2. So Python is a programming language that thinks that if you're dividing something with something, you will get floating number always. So according to that, it will give the floating point numbers, even if it is not a floating point number. Okay. So what if you want to take only the floor division values? So 8 double mod 4. Sorry, 8 slash slash 4. It is a floor division. Using this floor division, you can get the normal values. 5 divided by 2. It is given 2.5. If 5 double slash 2, it will give 2 only. So using floor division, you can remove the point values. If you do certain operation like 8 plus 9 minus 10, it is even 7, it works. If you give 8 plus 9 minus, okay, it's a syntax error. Why is it even syntax error? Because you cannot leave any operator, means you cannot leave any operator without any values. So 8 plus 9 minus something, you have to give some value, right? So 8 plus 9 minus 3, so 14. If you do 8 plus 2 star 3, 14. Okay, the question is, do Python follows BODMAS rule? BODMAS rule. So let's see. 8 plus 4 star 5. 8 plus 4 star 5. My bad. This is 8 plus 4 star 5. How much it will get? 28. Means 4 into 5. It compute. Then it will get 20. And 20 plus 8 is 28. If you perform 2 star star 3, then it's a power of 2. 2 star star 3 means 2 to power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. It is 3. Okay. Then if you divide 10 mod 3, 10 mod 3, it will give only cosec, not the remainder and not the point value as well. If you print as Prakhar, to write this is string, if you want to print this, it will print Prakhar. If you want to print, so okay, print function, using print function, you can print any data. So it comes under like this is a command to print any data. So print Prakhar. My name is Prakhar, that's why I'm printing. You can print anything inside this, but you have to use this column. Sorry. This. And if you want to print like two values, like print Prakhar laptop. Okay, it's given error, means you cannot use two strings. So you have to print Prakhar laptop. Like this you have to print. Okay. Now our next point is, if you want to concatenate two values, like using plus operator, you can concatenate. Using plus operator, you can add two values. Using plus operator, you can do multiple things. So now we have to concatenate two values. So our first value is using plus operator.